So I was on YouTube searching for a tutorial that is a sew-in wig flip over method, and I could not find any on YouTube. So I am doing my own. I've already sewn the wig. Now I'm doing the flip over method, which is where you line the tracks up like this, and then this one goes straight back. I'm using kinky straight hair, and I'm just gonna do my own wig because I cannot find any on YouTube. And yes, this is very old, so please don't mind the marks and things on it. But I outlined it in white, and I just sewed in the tracks regular, just like how you regularly do it, a wig. Nothing here, but look at how thick this hair is. So I'm gonna also cut layers into it. But I'm actually thinking about gluing the flip over method in at the top. But if you want to see how I do it, please like this video, share it. You don't even have to share it, just subscribe to my channel if you would like to see how I lay the tracks to become a flip over. I'm so tired. I've been doing this all day. It takes me forever to do my own hair, but I like to do my own hair because I just like to be creative and just do my own thing. But so yeah, this is the sides. I just want to show y'all everything just in case you guys have any questions, but please feel free to comment below. I will definitely read every single comment that you leave me, and I will reply back if you have any questions on how I did it. But what I will do is come back tomorrow with the final look. So have a good night.